welcome to a weekend vlog. So this weekend is all about a little bit of fun and organizing. So I am going to be changing up this area. So this is my used to be the writing nook, still is the writing nook, but it also needs to be like more of a workstation. So I ordered, it's supposed to come today, an L-shaped desk. I'm still keeping the one I have, but this area is going to be literally a work area. Reason why it was starting to get on my nerves because I have so much stuff going on up here in terms of this is where I read, this is where I write, this is where I sew. And I've been having this desk here, this table here. Fix the camera back up a lot. And am I crooked? Yeah. Alright guys, sorry about that. So I've been having it up a lot where it's just up all the time. And I don't like that. I still like to have my space, especially when I'm trying to work out or do anything. So I need a little bit more space on the wall over here that I can not have this table up all the time. This table is really a cutting table. It's what I use to cut out fabric, and I kind of want to stick to that. This way when I'm not using it, I can fold it and it's not in the way and get like spaces back here to where I could sit down and sew. That is the plan. And then we need to tackle this area over here. So let me show you. So this is what it looks like right now. This is the area. I moved the chair that was right here to make room, and I'm going to be moving these here to different location, and this is going to stay. It's going to move over a little bit more, but it's going to stay. So the whole intention is to have desks all the way here, here, and here. So as you can see, I don't even have enough room on my desk currently. It's just not enough room right now. So that's the whole thing about this corner. So I'm going to remove everything. I also have this situation going over here. So these are projects that I have working on. I have a top, I have a shorts that I did start, I just haven't finished it, and I have a pants. I've been putting stuff here and it's starting to bother me. Look at this top here. I gotta organize it. It's just getting out of hand. The corner over here is getting out of hand, and this chair now is collecting stuff. I just moved this out here because this is gonna go in the closet, and you see the dress. This is what I'm currently working on. I'm hoping to finish it so I can wear it on Sunday to hang out with my friend. So this is the current projects that I'm working on. And okay, my plants are also needs to get repotted. So the goal now is I need my bird of paradise needs a new pot. It's literally fighting for its life in this pot right now. I have a lot of new growth. I have this I can't even think what plant this is again. I took it out in the intention of repotting it, and it's been sitting there to the point where it's doing let me get you a close-up. It is doing a lot right now, so that needs to go. And so yeah, all of this. So the goal is to do reorganizing of this area where I still have room, because I don't like too much clutter and things are not just in the way on a permanent level, because I feel like this table here is just in the way on a permanent level. So that is the goal this weekend, and I will show you as I get things done bits by bits. So today is actually Friday, and I went to get my third time at the doctor in 5 weeks. This time was good. So I've gotten everything back on track. My diet is different in terms of what I eat now, what I had to stay away from, because I was having high blood pressure and blood sugar at the same time high. Both of them were high, so now they're back in range, and my diet changed, and also what I was allowing to stress me out. I also got back to where I had to start doing yoga again. I really missed doing yoga on the regular, and I realized how important yoga was for me, and I need to get back to that on a regular because I need to be able to relax and not allow nonsense get to me. And yeah, I'm all for peace. So I am going to cut out the sleeve for this dress, at least get that out of the way before I start moving stuff, and then start moving this stuff. I'm going to be working a lot tonight when I get home from work. So it's going to be a lot of night work, so the footage probably won't be as great. But I'm hoping to finish this, fingers crossed, with all the barbecue and fun stuff I planned this weekend. I want to finish this in 2 days. And let me show you what book we're going to be talking about throughout this video. So, I read Just for the Summer. I actually just finished it up last night. Yes. And it is a treat to talk about. So, I will be talking about this book throughout this video that I did complete. Yeah, next footage. All right, guys. Hey guys, so it is the next day, and let me tell you, I was up till like 4 in the morning, guys. I did a lot of work last night. Oh my god, this place it's a mess still, but compared to what it was last night, and I was just in a zone, and I was just like, I'm not going to sleep until I finish putting up this desk and at least organize the area in the nook, because that's really this project is about, the nook. Other than that, everything else is just about fabric everywhere. Some stuff I need to organize. I need to also tackle the smaller closet because there's just stuff everywhere, and I'm not utilizing it as well as I can. So we're gonna show you what we got so far. So I'll give you the nook and everything else. Definitely not gonna finish today. It's probably gonna be tomorrow because I do have an event, barbecue / party to go to, and I did not finish my dress, which I am hoping to finish it in a few, but I also didn't get any breakfast because I'm hungry, and it is like midday. So I need to eat. Can't go to these people hungry because I will eat too much. So I need to eat some form of breakfast, which I really don't have any form of breakfast, but I'll put some together. I have fruits and stuff. So it's, you know, I look a hot mess, but let me show you what I got so far. So as you can see over here, I'm able to undo the desk. Now this desk is another reason why I wanted to change the area up, because I always have the desk open and it's just hogging up all this room in here, and I can't really work out in the mornings like I want to because it's up, because I use it as my workstation. I don't have to do that anymore because I moved my computer to this side, my computer desk. I took the chair out and put it back in my bedroom. It was originally in my bedroom, but I realized I wasn't using it, so I took the chair from this area, all the book stuff from this area, and I placed the bookshelf here. I do have this cart here, but this cart is gonna go in the closet. But for right now, I have it here because I'm trying to organize and figure out what I want to put in this trunk right here, and what I want to keep on the cart for future project. I also have future project lined up on the balcony you know. Still kept my Harlem Renaissance. I switched out the Cricut, because I really don't use the Cricut that much, but I do use my printer. My printer is huge. I did not realize how big this thing was. It's working for now, but I do want to replace it with this particular printer that can do certain things in the future. I do like where my desk is now. I feel like it feel like brighter moving it from from this one. So here we go. So I have another bookshelf right here. It's not full, but it has room, which I'm happy. And then this is the workstation, guys. Look at the L shape desk. It has drawers. It came with drawers, but I put things that I'm not going to need to go into often in those drawers because it's a tight area. And so I put things I know I'm not going to be going in there daily in these drawers right here. And over here I put all like glues and things that I use for crafting. I also put the baskets that I put the stuff in, like my zippers and stuff like that, in the basket, and on top I have all the goodies that's in there. So I like that I had room over there. But here is a selling point for this desk. This was a selling point. I love this. Now I do need to get a heavy duty serger to attach in the bottom, so it's short, and so that's what we're gonna do. I put some, of course, my scissors. I also have under here, I have a lot of room under here. So this came with the desk, so I use it just to put my plants on, because they're still gonna get sunlight right here. But I have all this room under here that I haven't figured out, you know, to put little things under. I have a corner over here, which I don't really want to show y'all. So I am going to be putting stuff in the corners over there just because, you know, utilize my space. And I had to hang my plants up a little different because, you know, it was low. But this is what we got. This is what we got. So this area is looking good. All right, guys. So now this side behind me is a whole different story. There is fabric here. I still have the box that the desk come in here. I have this corner over here that is just an eyesore that I need to get together. I need to go in the bigger closet and organize my fabric again, because I have fabric everywhere, so that I can put these fabric away and not have any things on the chair, not everything over here. These are our next project, so it's gonna join over here. Yeah, it's gonna join over here. So these are next projects that I'm working on. Don't know about those, and those are, some of those are finished stuff that I need to hang up and put away. So yeah, it's coming along. It's coming along. Hopefully tomorrow I will have all these things out of here. Well, tonight I'm probably gonna work on it more tonight and organize a little bit better and be able to use my space to work out in the morning. Yay. So yeah, guys, this is what we're doing this weekend. Hey guys, so we are done with this area. The room is about, I would say, 80% because I still have not been able to tackle that closet yet. That closet is going to be a big project because I have so much unnecessary things in there that I need to figure out what to get rid of, how to get rid of some of those. So for now, we are going to just leave it as it is. It is what it is. And enjoy the space over here. I was able to finish my white dress yesterday, and the dress um, was so comfortable. And I was able to use this nook, and I realized how much I do love using this area. Plus, I get to use this old chair and be able to rest my back. I've been using this stool for way too long, which is just not good for my back. So and it just the room just have more space now because I don't have this big table just sitting in the middle of the room. I can use it when I'm cutting, and then when I'm not cutting, fold it back up so it's not in the way. And the room looks so much better. I just have to maintain it. This also is a room that has carpet, and I really, really want to eventually at some point replace it with wood because it's a horrible job to get a lot of the threads up. I mean, I'm on my knees getting them threads up off the ground because sometimes the vacuum doesn't pick it all up, and also the vacuum I have to clean it a certain way because of that. So ideally, up here is not the greatest as far as sewing right now, but it is my creative space. It is my multi-purpose room. I do everything here. I have my workout equipment, I have my books, I have my lounge area, I have my beautiful plants, I have my craft things. Everything is up here. This is the part of the house that I hang out at the most. And it's just going to be what it is for me right now until um, something changed. So for right now, let's get into the one summer book that I feel just going to help my mood to talk about because I am such a happy camper now with this space that let's talk about a happy book just for the summer. Now, Abby Jimenez, she is first, she's new to me for one. And this is a book that I felt like it's a perfect summer read. Now, this is for people who really love romance, but not a smart person because the smart is very limited in this. Because this is really a true romance in terms of character building, in terms of getting to know the character. It drags in a way that helps you understand why these two and how these two can possibly be in a relationship. So we're falling to an individual who has this kind of curse, a gift and a curse, where all the individuals that they break up with eventually move on to find their person, their love. And so because of that, they felt perhaps if they dated each other, things might go in their favor where they break up and they might cancel out each other and then the next person they meet might be their one. But you know it's a romance, and the fact that they're doing this, you realize that they met each other and they are each other one. But how do they navigate through their old problems, the problems that also affect why they're single in the first place? I love that they both came in baggage but in different form. But the baggage is also what makes them beautiful, what makes them grow, what makes them learn and realize when that love moment happened, when that moment when you realize this person is for me happened, that those things that were always in the way, it's time to work on them, time to heal, time to learn what you actually want from another person, and time to not allow someone else to take your joy. And I love this for this book. This is a popular book, it is everywhere, and sometimes I'm a little weary of those popular books, but this one I love everything about the story. I love the fact that the character sometimes is annoyed but you understood why, and you also kind of grew to really love that part of the character that in the beginning was not, wasn't a big fan of. So for this, it's a yes, absolutely a yes. And I recommend it. I do feel like this is one of those romance that I will read again and again and again. And again, this is another slow burn. So you are not going to get no heavy smut moments in this book. It is not that kind of romance. But when it happens, it's beautifully done. And she gave us a good summer read. It's just such a book I could see on a beach, on, at the pool, in the backyard, in the garden. This is that kind of read that will get you in the mood. So I highly recommend it. Go and pick it up and enjoy it before the summer is over. Yeah, just for the summer. These two, love them together. Love, 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 love. And the crazy mama, love that too. All right, guys. So I am going to do the calendar for Adrenal Mood. I was hoping to do it earlier, but I didn't get to it. So I'm going to do it and post it before the day ends. It was supposed to be posted like in 5 minutes. It's not going to, but before the day end. But I will be talking about it a lot because it doesn't start until August 1st, which is the summer journal mood. So it's a lot of time. We have over a week where I will constantly. So if you have not followed me on Instagram, you will see the calendar there. Just follow me there. If not, you can go on my website and you can also see it there. So I will see you guys in the next one. And yay. I love my nook, guys. Love my nook. All right. Bye.